In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group tasks in Clickup quickly and easily. Whether you're managing individual projects or an entire team's workload, knowing how to efficiently group your tasks can help keep everything organized and streamlined. So, let's dive into the process. First things first, let's head over to Clickup. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. Once the page loads, you'll want to locate the login button on the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. If you've opted to use Google to access your Clickup account, simply click on the option that says Sign in with Google. This will redirect you to the familiar Google login page, where you'll select the Google account associated with your Clickup account. Once selected, Clickup will load and direct you to your workspace. Upon successful login, you'll find yourself on the projects page within your workspace. This page gives you an overview of all the tasks and projects you've got going on. From here, navigate over and click on the option labeled Everything. This view is particularly useful because it aggregates all your tasks across different projects and shows you the complete overview. Now, to start grouping your tasks, you'll see an option labeled Group at the top right of your task list view. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will present several options for you. The default grouping you'll see is by status, which is pretty handy when you want to see which tasks are currently in progress, which ones are completed, and so on. However, there might be instances where grouping by status doesn't exactly meet your needs. In such cases, Clickup offers other grouping options. You can choose to group your tasks by assignee to see who is responsible for what. This is particularly useful for team leads and project managers who need a quick view of team member workloads or contributions. Alternatively, you can group tasks by priority, which is a great way to focus on what needs urgent attention. For more detailed insights, there's also the option to group tasks by tags or due dates. Using tags is beneficial when you have projects or tasks sharing common attributes, while grouping by the due date allows you to keep track of deadlines and plan your workflow accordingly. Once you've chosen your preferred grouping option, Clickup will immediately reorganize your tasks into concise sections, making it easier for you to visualize, prioritize, and manage your workload. This functionality makes Clickup a robust tool for project management and team collaboration. And there you have it, a straightforward way to group tasks in Clickup, helping you manage your workload with greater efficiency and clarity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for making the most out of Clickup and other productivity tools.